A kia ora rā koutou, te whānau whānui e huri mai ana i tēnei rā, i Waitangi. Haukainga podcast, this is us, Ngāpui in the house. And my guest today is Tumanako Manihera, tēnā koe, and welcome.
Oh, ngā mihi matua.
Yeah, good to have you here. Now, we've actually met. You probably didn't see me in the crowd, but I've noticed you and your whānau performing at different kaupapa Māori events. Those are the only ones I've seen you at. You probably do a lot more. But tell me about performance. And before that, tell me how you journeyed into performance as waiata, actually not waiata, as entertainers to a degree.
Well, he pātai paitera, ko taku haerenga ki roto I te ao tāne rore, my journey with kapa haka, with my whānau, has been pretty long. I've been raised by kapa haka tutors all my life. And let me say, like 3.5 years ago, 4 years ago, I took advantage of kapa haka. I used it for my own ego. And
explain that. Explain your own ego.
So I would always sing my best just to get the attention of others.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't do it anywhere else unless it's in front of people, others.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good on you.
And so I changed that throughout the years, and I only do it for aroha and tika, pono.
Yeah.
For our reo Māori and the meaning of our waiata Māori. And so I can deliver our waiata Māori kia tika.
Tēnā koe. How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what does that give you? I mean, I see I've met your parents a few times, and I see the passion that they have. What does it give you? What is it, as way as, because to do what you do, you have to have stagecraft. You have to understand the room.
Yeah.
What else does it give you as a young man?
Well, being a taiohi Māori, I think if you want to know how to do waiata, you have to know other people who you're singing to.
Yeah.
Like, for example, my favourite audience is always Kaumata Kuia.
Yeah.
Because they're the rangatira. They were the ones brought in te reo Māori. Oh, most of them.
Yeah, no, I understand what you're saying.
Yeah, so to know the stage, we have to know what kaupapa we're going to.
Yeah.
And find the perfect waiata Māori for that kaupapa. So
it has to be appropriate to that audience.
Yeah.
That's really good. I mean, I've watched you guys, and I've watched, you're not the sort of group. How many in the group?
There's 7 of us.
It's all whānau.
Oh, the whole whānau, probably 14.
Yeah. But you're not the sort of group that you can have in a corner, like you have a trio of string performers or whatever. You take command, not command in a bad way, but in a really positive way. You own that stage. What you do is certainly worth my attention. So that's so good. And your younger siblings, your sisters?
Yeah.
Just magnificent. So where to from here, do you think?
So I think from here we have another performance at 5:00.
Yeah.
I don't know where, but we're doing another performance, and it's great to get attention from other people like you, Matua Pio.
Yeah.
Because we want to get the attention of other people to show how beautiful our te ao Māori is.
Yeah. And it is. And you guys are a great servants or supporters of that kaupapa. But I mean, for your future, where do you think you want to be in 5 or 10 years?
Well, I definitely want to go to Te Matatini.
Yeah.
Hop in Te Taitokero group.
Yeah.
In 10 years, I would like to become a tohunga.
Yeah.
For te reo Māori and mātauranga Māori.
Yeah.
And I want to teach other tamariki and taiohi who are exactly like me, but weren't in my position. And
yes.
They don't know their reo, they don't know anything about te ao Māori. So I just want to give a lot of aroha to morihu ngā tamariki kore. Yeah, send the aroha to them, give them a taste of what te ao Māori can bring them. They can bring them a lot of opportunities, as you can see.
Yeah.
For me, it was confidence. I got confidence. I got taku reo Māori. I get to go on all these haerenga with my whānau. And yeah.
But I think, just listening to you kōrero, if I may say, is your newly adopted uncle. A lot of the talents that you have are actually transferable to a wider world, to a global world as well, to be able to get up and do what you do. And I was hoping you'd answer that previous question by saying teach, because you've been in a situation where you've been blessed with the nurturing in a certain area of te ao Māori, and to hand that on to somebody else is really awesome. What about Waitangi Day? How are you feeling?
All I feel is history and mana Māori.
Yeah.
Motuhake, yeah. Rā Waitangi, well, it tells me that this is a very important day for our tūpuna who signed te tiriti.
All right.
And I get so excited to see the workings of our ancestors and what they did for us. Even though the treaty didn't do much for us, they still saw a better future, like what I'm hearing a lot of these days.
Yeah.
He Hawaii ki hau ki tua.
Yeah.
So they saw their Hawaii ki hau, and I guess that's us.
Yeah.
Doing the mahi, making sure te ao Māori, me ona tikanga, it doesn't fade away.
No.
So te tiriti o Waitangi is not just about markets or food.
Yeah.
It's all of it's
Yeah. It's a living document, eh?
Yeah.
Hey, just finally, because we're running out of time, bro, they're making a documentary. Tell me about that and tell me how that's going. But firstly, tell me why.
Why my kaupapa?
Why are they making a documentary about you?
Well, when we hopped on social media, did some waiata throughout kura, auraki, kura kaupapa, auatu. We got pretty famous, I don't know.
Yeah. You got some exposure.
Yeah. And so they wanted to know more about us, and well, here we are.
Yeah.
Our show, Hiki Nā Te Manuka, talks about how we should hongi te whewhia, grasp the challenges, and rise up against other statistics.
Yep. Negative. It's about growing and moving forward, eh?
Yeah.
Facing modern challenges.
Tika.
Yeah, wow. And is it fun?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Well, see, that's a whole nother area. That's fantastic. Well, you beautiful young man, you, the future, part of the future. E mihi ana kia koe mo e nei kōrero papai. Haere tonu, kia kaha. And as I often say to people, my taha Māori is my best qualification. And I think in your case, it's one of your many. So, nō reira te tamaiti. Ngā mihi ranga te rau kia koe. Kia ora.
Ngā mihi matua pio.
Kia ora.